All right, guys, so we're going to do just a few more examples here. I'll keep this to under 10 minutes. I'll aim for 7. Log base 6 of 1 over 216 equals what? So I'm going to start with my base. Okay. 636. Okay, first thing I notice is that these numbers are growing, and this number is this way. So then I'm going to do 1 over 6. Whoop, should have left a little bit of room for myself. 1 over 36. And then it goes 1 over 216. So this is the first power. 0, 1, 2, 3. Negative 3. All right. Now let's do one funky one. Okay. What happens if I get a fraction? Okay. Equals what? So I'm going to go ahead and start here at the base, which is 2/3. And I'm going to go power. So that's square the top and the bottom. So I need to look at this. Notice at the bottom, okay, 827. Oh, that's pretty close, except that it's, okay, so I'm going to go this way. 3 over, right, that negative exponent is the reciprocal. Oh, so this is the first. So it's negative 3. All right, so now we're going to look at something a little bit trickier. Alrighty. This is called change of base. And this is when you end up trying to evaluate a log where it doesn't quite work. So I'm going to give you the change of base formula. And I know that I told you initially that these pieces could not be separated. And they can't, right? A log has 3 pieces. The log, the base, and the A. Okay? So I'm going to highlight the base. And I'm going to highlight the A. Because I want to show you where these things are going to go. I'm going to draw a fraction. And on the bottom, I'm going to write log base Z of B. Notice that this is a base Z. It's a new base. Pull it out of your head, okay? And on the top, this is going to go log base Z of A. So let's look at the location of all of these new pieces. Okay, so this is new base Z. And the B goes to the bottom. Okay, and the A goes to the top. All right, so let's use it. Why might the change of base formula be useful? Okay, well, let's start with what exponent. So I'm going to actually just write this below here, take a little more space for myself. Okay, so I get a 4, 16 cubed. Uh-oh. I think the visual helps significantly here. And it's kind of iffy because 32 comes in right here. So it's not a power of 4. Ooh. So what am I going to do? So you have to look at your 4 and your 32. Is 4 a power of something? So let's come down here and let's look at 4. All right, so these are the powers of 4. I'm going to do the powers of 2 instead. 2, 4, 8, 16. Oh, okay, look at that. 2, and 32. Let me rephrase that. Okay, 4 and 32 are both powers of 2. So that's the key. So I want to change the base to 2. Change to base 2. All right. Equals log base 4 of 32 equals log base 2, log base 2. All right. The 4 goes to the bottom, okay, and the 32 goes to the top. All right, what do we get? Well, there's my little chart. So 32 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and the 4 is 1, 2. All right, so this equals 5 over 2. Cool. Let's see if we can't do our other format. 4 to what power equals 32? And we would say the 5 halves power. Guys, it's a power and a root combination. It's a power and a root. It's a power 5 and a root 2. It's a power 5 and a root 2. Power 5 and root 2.
Float. Moat.
All right, guys, we're going to do one last example here.
Low.
So log base
Bone. Bone.
1/3
Toad.
of,
Load. Load.
oh, nope, I want to do one log base 1/9 of
Okay, I got my pen.
27. And I'm almost certain that 1/9 is not going to be the right base because 9, 81. 27 is in between there. So I'm going to look at 9 and 27, and I'm going to try base 3. Okay, so 3, 9, 27. All right, so this looks pretty good because I see the 9 and the 27 here. So now I'm going to count backwards. 1,
Okay.
1/3, 1/9. Okay, and so I'm going to change this to base 3 because I see the 1/9 and the 27 here. Equals log base 3, right? Change to log base 3, 27 1/9. So I get 3, 1, 2, 3, and I get -2. All right, so let's check it.
Then she said, let's
1/9
these letters.
to what power equals 27? And that is
She asked
negative
free stamps, please.
3 halves. So that's a reciprocal, right? It's a reciprocal. It's a root
Okay.
and a cube. Look at those rules all coming back. 3 cubed, 27. Nice job, guys. Boom. 9 minutes, 12 seconds.